We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
This just in, GoPro has made a major update to its GoPro app. It is now called QUIK. So they finally brought it back where you can preview your video when you're recording on your phone. Oh wait, they haven't done that? Oh well, at least they brought back Pro Tune, right? So that you can fine tune your shots on the phone? No, they didn't bring that back? So what did they bring back and who is it for? Hold on. Okay, just before you think that I'm just gonna crap all over this app, I'm not. Let's dive in a little bit and just actually see what QUIK is. First off, I find it a little weird for the GoPro app to be completely gone. Like, it makes more sense to have an app called GoPro. Then again, it's not my company. So let me just highlight some of the features of QUIK. So this is an app where you can import any photos or videos from any camera. It doesn't have to be just the GoPro. It could be from the phone or from your DSLR. Automatic video creation, so the music will be synced up and you can get creative with single and multi-clip video editing with stickers and text. And they have premium video themes. And now GoPro has exclusive filters, so you can change it through all the filters. And you know, that usually takes a good 5 minutes to pick that right filter. It's got a video speed tool so that you can actually go in and slow it down at certain spots or speed it up or freeze frame it. And it's gonna be something you can make very easily. It's eventually gonna have unlimited cloud backup, like at the original quality, and easy social media sharing. Now the price, wait, there's a price? So if you wanna unlock the full features, it's like $2 a month. If you have that like GoPro subscription and you pay like whatever it is per year, that includes QUIK and the cloud storage and 50% off accessories and a bunch of money off cameras, so that might actually be worth it. So who is this for? I actually think this is great for those new GoPro users and people that aren't really used to editing videos. I do get a lot of comments from people asking what's the best video editing option for their GoPro, and this actually might be it. Because most of the GoPro users that I know, they want to go out and get some of those holiday vacation films, and they don't want to spend like hours upon hours editing the video. They just want to be able to spend a little bit of time getting creative with it on their phone, on their iPad, and just being able to share it with the world. So I'm not here to give you a tutorial on how to edit the videos. I actually found a really good intuitive tutorial online. So check it out. I'm putting the link up in this little eye up here or down in the description. It's The Adventures of Ron. He's got a really nice GoPro related channel, and I think all of you GoPro users would find it very valuable. So from the start of the video, I did mention some annoyances, like there are things that they took away recently that were actually very valuable to use. GoPro, if you're listening to my channel, please bring those back. We need those. But also what you're doing is awesome. It's creative and it's gonna get more people making videos, and that's what we want. All right, well that's it for me. A lot more videos coming up on this channel. Thank you so much for being here, and yeah, looking forward to seeing you on the next one.